Hello everybody, and welcome to a very quick introduction to an app called HP Reveal. And you can see it out here on the right, second from below, a white one with a blue R. HP Reveal is an app where you can do and create your own augmented reality. And now what is augmented reality? Well, it means that you can add a secret not seen layer that will appear when you use the app. So it could be like when you scan a picture, suddenly on your iPad or your mobile phone, you'll be able to see a little video clip or photo that's connected to the picture you're scanning. So a very fun little tool, and I'll show you how to use it. So now we are inside HP Reveal, and if you want to make what's called auras, they call these augmented reality scannings, they call them auras. So if you want to create your own aura, you will start with pressing the plus button up in the right corner. There you go. And then it tells you that you need to create an account. So I'll show you how to do that very quickly. You can see down below it says create an account, and all you need is actually to write in your email. I'll do that. Sorry, a little mistake. There you go. And then I need to create a username. I'll use Art in LAN because this video tutorial is part of Art in LAN project. And then I will look at where it says next, and I'll press that. And I'll have to create a password. Please now don't look. There you go. Now I have created an account, and now I'm able to create these auras. And as you can see, it starts with the first thing you do, and that is to take a picture of the thing you want to scan with your camera. So in my case, as you can see, I have chosen a little children's book, just to show you an example here. In Danish it's called Oscar and Kæmpeaben Mathilde, which means Oscar and the Giant Monkey Mathilde. Anyway, it's a book for children and with lots of great pictures. And I will go to the picture that I want to create an aura to. And I have it here. This is actually Oscar. And what I'm going to do is to take a picture of Oscar. And if you look on top, you can see there is a red square, yellow, and a green. And these are indicators whether the picture is good enough for creating an aura. And that means either if it has the right complexity as a picture, or the lighting is okay. In this case, you can see the dot is at the green, and this means this is really good. So I will press the blue button below. There you go. And the next thing I have to do now is to find the thing that will appear when I scan the picture that I just took. And as you can see, our HP Reveal gives you lots of things you can use already. If you're into circus, there's a lot of fun figures here, but that's not the one we want to use now. We want to look on top where it says device. I'll press there. And this gives me the possibility to upload a photo or a video from my tablet. So I'll press upload from tablet, upload from device. And on my iPad, it gives me the possibility to either press camera, which means that I could take a picture or a video, but instead I'll press photo album. So it opens up my list, and I have been cheating a little bit. So I took a picture before with Oscar, and used it in an app called My Talking Pet. You can see a tutorial for that also here in our project. And I created a little video where Oscar presents his book. And you can see it down in the corner here. So I marked that. At the right corner on top, it says Bro in Danish. In your language, it will be, maybe in English, it will be use and so on. So I press Bro. Now you can see it's compressing it, and it wants me now to give it a name. So I'll do that. I'll call it Oscar, and I'll press done. And what I'm giving a name now is my video. In a moment, I will be connecting these things. So now you can see it asks me to place the video where I want it to. And this is a great feature because it gives us the possibility to be rather precise. Let's see if it actually fits with the size. Let's see. So that's not that bad. It almost looks like, of course you can see the corners are a little bit rough, but anyway. So now I have placed it where I want it to appear. In a moment when I show you it, it will actually appear precisely there and not anywhere else on the picture. So now I'll press next. And I will also give this a name. I can call that Oscar again. And if you look below there, you can see there are several possibilities. I can put these into channels, which will be a very good idea. Or I can, as it's at the moment, use it on my private Aura. My private Aura means that only I can see them, and only people who are logged in with my account, which should normally be me. But if I wanted to share it with other people, then I will simply create a new channel. I'll do that here. And I'll give the channel a name. I'll call it Oscar and the Giant Monkey. And Matilda the Giant Monkey, that's actually the correct name. Yes. And I could add a channel photo. I don't need to do that. But I need to decide whether I want it to be private or public. I'll make it public. So now you can see it's pressed there. So now I am ready to press done up in the corner. And as you can see the settings, in a moment I'll submit, but you can see when I submit, I will create an aura in a channel called Oscar and Matilda the Giant Monkey. So I'll press submit. And it says your aura looks great, now show it off to your friends. So I could share it now, I will not do that, but instead I'll press done. And you can see your aura is now available on your device. So it actually now should be able to function. So let's see if it works. Okay. So as you can see now, it's in a scanner mode. These circles are indicating that it's searching for something to recognize. So let's try to hold the tablet over the picture.
Hello,
there you go.
My name is Oscar, and this is a book about me having an adventure with a gorilla in a circus.
So, as you can hear, it works. A little tip is that quite often the sound is not part of the video the first time you scan. Some little error they have been doing in programming, but normally it then works when if you close down the app, opens it again and try to scan, then the sound will be there. So this is how you do create a augmented reality video storytelling with a book through an app called HP Reveal. So the last thing I want to show you is how to search for other auras and how to share auras. And this is a functionality where you actually also need to be logged in on your account. you can search for auras without your account, but you can't really use it for anything. So just to show you how it works and how you can log in and out of your account, if you press the little icon up left here, there you can see, and go to settings, and down in the bottom it says log out. So I'll do that, and I'll show you actually how it works with searching, but how you cannot be able to use the search results without actually logging in. So up here it says discover auras. What we want to find now is Oscar and Matilda. Let's try and search for it, see what happens. It's now searching across the entire HP Reveal platform, and as you can see, I get a lot of results. The one on top is actually a Danish version of what I'm showing you now, so we will not be using that. But there's also Oscar and Matilda the giant monkey. So let's try if we can go into that. And we can't really do that because, as you can see, please log in to continue. And if I press the X up in the corner, I'm back here. I can try again. There's no way around it. So you can do search results, but you actually need an account. So I will log into my account again using my username. And press next, and then my password. And log in. So now I am actually able to use the results. So I'll go back to the search results, press here, and let's try to use the one on top here. It's called Oscar and Kæmpeaben Matilda, the Danish version, just to show you how it works, because this one is not being uploaded by this account that I'm using now. So I press that. And there you can see all the various auras. I know there's one with Oscar there. I'll find the circus director in the bottom. I'll find that in the book. And as you can see on top here it says follow. If I press follow, it means that when I go back to the scanner, it will automatically search for connection to the pictures I'm scanning in the book here. And if there is something that's part of these series of pictures, it will show it. So I'll go back. There you go. Press cancel. And the square here. And now I know I have the circus director here.
Jeg sidder her.
If I go there.
Velkommen. Jeg er cirkusdirektør.
There is a picture.
Ved I, hvad en cirkusdirektør
This is
er?
how
Jeg
you search through the platform to find auras that other people has been uploaded. But now let's say that I want to share the auras that I have created. So what I need to do is actually to, and this is maybe a little bit silly, but anyway, to share my own aura, I need to first search for it in Discover Auras. So I will, and as you can see, a lot of these get up as a default after I've been searching. So I will be searching, and then I will simply press Oscar and Matilda the giant monkey. As you can see, it's public, and over here on the right, the share button is the square with the arrow just beside the heart. So if I press that, I get all sorts of sharing possibilities. It could be through mail, it could be like copying a link, and so on. So that's how you share it, and then people who get the link would get access to it. Thank you for now.